Hey fellow geeks, it's me again, Debbi, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of this mini tech as we take a closer look at the Apple watchOS 10. First up, let's start with what we all adore, watch faces. The watchOS 10 brings a burst of creativity with the new faces of Snoopy and Woodstock and Palette. Just look at the really cute Snoopy designs this pack has. I'm still not too sure how many designs there are upon waking my Apple Watch up, because each time I think, hey, that is it. More animated designs start popping up. I'd say there may be about 20 adorable Snoopy animated designs that will melt your heart. And for all you color enthusiasts, Palette offers an array of gradients and hues to match your style. With many colors to choose from and beautiful gradients, it is no wonder why Apple included this new design in. Simply turn the crown and select the color combination you want. I personally love these colors the most. Not to mention, you can also customize the complications on each 4 of the corners. To switch between these beauties, just hold down on the screen and swipe to the one you want. It's that easy. Switching app views just got smoother. Want to swap between list and grid? A simple scroll down on the list of apps followed by a tap on grid view or the other way around does the trick. It's like having a secret tech handshake. Alternatively, changing the app view can also be done under general settings, followed by app view, and then swap between list or grid. Moving on, instead of dragging your fingers up on the screen to access the control center, Apple has now changed it to the side button. All it takes is one press of the side button and voila! Instant access to your Wi-Fi settings, flashlight, timers, and more. For those of you who have been so used to the watchOS 9 and below, this might take a little getting used to. So then, what's new now that the control center has moved to the side button? Let's talk about the new Apple Smart Stack. With a simple swipe up on the screen or a twist of the digital crown, widgets reveal themselves. You can view the weather, calendar, activity, and more. And here's the cool part. You can personalize your stack by adding or removing widgets. Just press and hold to shift things around. Before we get into even more features, Geek Culture is supported by you, the community, and brands who help us improve our videos. So please stick around for this sponsored message.
Here at Geek Culture, we've tested plenty of chairs, but SecretLab gaming chairs remain one of our favorites. Whether it's for work or play, they feel great to lean back against, with their ergonomic features offering support for the whole body, from the head and back to the arms, and even something for your butt. This mix of form and function helps the Titan Evo 2022 deliver the best seating experience like no other. For more information, check out secretlab.co.
There are a couple of modifications and alterations to the design and the viewing of the apps. Some of them include the Weather app. It definitely looks more aesthetically pleasing compared to how it looked previously, and it now gives you a better in-depth update. Next, the Activity app. You can now use the Activity app to view your weekly summary and scroll through the different pages to see your movement, exercise, standing duration, steps taken, and your last logged activity. And oh, the Heart Rate app's new animation? Oh my gosh, it's like tech meets sophistication. Speaking of heart, we all need to take care of our hearts, mind, and soul. And with the Mindfulness app getting a revamp, you can now journal how you feel on the go. Previously, there were only 2 options, reflect and breathe. Now you can log your state of mind. You can choose between logging how you're feeling right now or how you felt overall today. Scroll through to see what best reflects your mood. Personally, I feel pleasant. Next step, you can add what best describes your feelings. And I feel relieved. You can select more than one. Next, select what has been the biggest impact on you. For me, it has been health. You can go through all these steps or simply skip them if you don't feel like adding anything further other than your mood. I do feel that it is a great way to monitor your emotions and know when things are getting a little bit too overwhelming. And perhaps maybe then seek out comfort from your loved ones or friends. Now that we've gotten our emotions in check, here's to health, specifically cyclists. watchOS 10 is truly your cycling buddy. The Apple Watch now syncs with other Bluetooth accessories like Bluetooth available stationary bikes. It tracks your power meter pedals, heart rate, cadence, speed, and power. Plus, your iPhone turns into a bike computer displaying all the metrics you need. There's more on the horizon. Name Drop only works on the iPhone iOS 17 update for now, but get ready for Name Drop on the watchOS 10, where you can simply send your contact to someone new by just pointing your phones toward each other. I do have to add one more thing, and that is, ever since updating to the watchOS 10, the battery life depletes a little more than usual. It is now, however, still in the early stages of the OS 10. Hopefully, Apple resolves this problem with the future updates. And there you have it, folks. The Apple Watch OS 10 is a symphony of innovation, a blend of convenience, and a whole lot of heart. Which feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to smash the like and subscribe button for more thrilling tech updates. This is Debbi, and until next time, don't forget to geek out. Okay. Are we done? Very awkward. Hello?